kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Kids, today we will learn something about phonics sound, and also I will tell you why phonics sound is important for you. Okay kids, shall we start? First of all kids, what is phonics sound? Phonics sound is the study of speak sound which help us to learn, read, spell and understand the English language. Okay kids? Now why phonics sound is important for every kids? Children who practice reading often through phonics get better. Reading improves vocabulary and language. Phonics sound provides confidence, helps with spelling. Okay kids? Now kids, let's read with me some phonics sound from letter A to Z. A, B, ba, C, ka, D, da, E, a, F, fa, G, ga, H, ha, I, E, J, ja, K, ka, L, la, M, ma, N, na, O, P, pa, Q, qua, R, ra, S, sa, T, ta, U, a, V, va, W, wa, X, sa, Y, ya, Z, za. Keep practice at your home. Thank you kids.